Hi guys, it's Tobias here from homemadegiftsmadeeasy.com, and in this video I'll show you how to fold these cool money origami trousers. These are a design shared by reader Max, who wrote in sharing some photos of these and saying that it's a design that he'd come up with while he was on a long bus journey. I think it's a really cool design, and they happen to be just the right size to go with the money origami shirt, the instructions for which you can also find at homemadegiftsmadeeasy.com. So let me unfold these and then I'll show you how to fold them. So you want to start with a $1 bill like this, or actually any bill, and the first step is to fold the left and the right edges in just a little bit like that. And I've made these folds so that the fold pretty much goes through the ones on each side. The reason we start with this fold actually is to make the trousers a little bit shorter than they otherwise would be. I found that if I didn't do this, then the trousers looked a little bit too long to go with the shirt. So you can experiment with how far in you fold these to make your trousers longer or shorter. Okay, so the next step is to fold your bill in half like this and unfold it, and then fold the bottom up to meet that center crease and fold the top down to meet that center crease. Now fold your bill in half from left to right like that, and then unfold it, and you'll now have a meeting of two creases at the center, where you just made that crease, and where it comes in here is the exact center of the bill. And that's important because the next fold, you want the fold to go through that center. So we're going to fold down diagonally like this, so that this is 90 degrees here, and so that this diagonal fold goes through the exact center of the bill. And then unfold, and then we do the exact same thing the other way, like this. And then unfold. Then arrange your bill vertically like this, and now fold it in half away from you, like that, and we're doing that just to make a crease in the right place, and then straighten it back out, unfold it. And now you want to take a hold of the left and the right edges of the bill here, and pull them together, and you'll find that the bill will kind of collapse in half like this. So let me just show you this from a few different angles so you can see what it looks like. Now you want to take this bit and fold it up like so, and this crease is basically going along the bottom of this triangle. Now turn the bill over, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side, so just fold this up. Great. And if I show you what this looks like, it looks something like this. And what we want to do now is, maybe this works best if I look at it from this angle. You just want to bend it like that. Yeah? So, like that. And that's it. Now you have your pair of money origami trousers. And something that I think is quite cute about these is the way "God We Trust" happens to just exactly end up along the waistband of the trousers. Thanks very much for watching.